Ladies and gentlemen, it's Ben Malapile here and I'm back with another property tour. Today I have a 3-bed, 2-bath townhouse for sale in North Riding, situated on Blandford Road in Lamoet Complex. So, it is newly renovated, double garage which is automated, so come on right in and have a look. Upon entry, you are welcomed by this pet-friendly garden, well manicured, well taken care of. Grass is cut every single week. The seller even went as far as adding extra trees there to create some more privacy between you and your neighbors. As mentioned earlier, it's been newly renovated, it's been retiled throughout. So open plan kitchen and dining / lounge area, and your kitchen actually fits a double door fridge. The granite tops have been also recently installed. As you can see, they're still shiny and in very good condition. We've got an extractor fan as well, and this touch defied stove. You've got the under counter oven, lots of cupboard space, and space for 2 under counter appliances. Next, we've got the lounge, which is an open plan, which leads out to the spacious garden that I showed you earlier. To the left, we've got the first bedroom. It's also been retiled, and you've got yourself some cupboard space as well. It's big enough to fill a double bed or twin beds if that's what you prefer. Then to the right of the passage, we've got the second bedroom, which is more or less the same size as the first one. Also has been retiled, and you also have plenty of cupboard space as well. You also can fit a double bed or twin beds. Then we have the shared bathroom, which has also been newly renovated, retiled as well, and has a bathtub, basin, and a loo. You also have extra cupboard space right on top of the bathtub. Up next, we've got the main bedroom, big enough to fit a queen size bed, and is also fitted with an aircon for those hot days and nights that we experience in sunny South Africa. It has plenty of cupboard space as well, drawers as well, and a spot for you to put a TV if need be. We have the in-suite bathroom with a shower and a bathtub. The shower has just been installed and is brand new. Also been retiled recently, and you also have extra cupboard space on top of the bathtub like the other bathroom as well. You've got the basin and some cupboard space underneath the basin, and that is the house. So now to the common areas. The complex has a braai area and a small park where kids can play. As you can see, it's well taken care of and also gets maintained every single week. So ladies and gentlemen, that's the property we have today. If you like what you see and want to schedule a viewing, click on the link below, and can't wait to show you this house in person.